Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a pretty simple Excel video. We're just going to be going over how you can capitalize the first letter in a word in a cell within Excel. And so we have a few examples here. We want the B and Bob to be capitalized, J and Julie, the A and Anderson. The J and Jack was already capitalized, but we want the K to be capitalized. And then here we have capitalized letters throughout the name that shouldn't be there, right? We just want the first letter in Phil and the first letter in Lang to be capitalized. And this is actually a pretty simple function. You just do the proper function, you select the text you want, and you hit enter, right? And we're actually going to format this to be in the center. So then you can see here the B and Bob is capitalized. If we just drag this down, then we can see that Julie Anderson is also correct, Jack Kingman, and Phil Lang, right? So it's going to uncapitalize the A-N in Lang, for example, getting us the proper formatting for Phil's name. And then, for example, if we change this, let's say, it's actually Bobby Springer, let's just say, then that'll automatically update since this is a formula in this cell, and it will work accordingly. And so we'll automatically update when we change the cell, regardless of what we put. So this doesn't necessarily have to work with names. If I put in hello, it's going to capitalize the first letter of hello. It's not going to distinguish between a name or a noun or verb or adjective, right? So there you have it. Super simple, easy formula to use to capitalize the first letter in a word within a cell in Excel. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.